Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you like my channel, then subscribe it.
Good job! Say, give it a thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up and subscribe it in the channel.
Good job, baby.
If you want to see, keep on watching.
Hey, good job, baby.
I said I'm living my best life. I said I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
You ready to do your video?
Yeah!
It's so exciting. Come on. We're gonna do your eyebrows first, okay? Look like mine.
Okay. My eyebrows.
Eyebrows, yeah.
Like,
Remember when I did your eyebrows before?
yeah.
Alright. You can't move.
I don't know.
Wow.
I look beautiful. I don't look that way.
You do look beautiful. Put your feet down.
I don't look like that way. I don't like.
Don't move, don't move.
I don't look like that way.
How do you look?
I'm beautiful.
Yeah, you do. Hold on, don't move.
I think I do.
You do look beautiful.
You
Like mommy.
You too.
Hold on, let me finish doing your eyebrows. Put your head up. Oh, you sleepy. You better go to sleep.
No.
Yeah, you better go to sleep. Look at me.
I look beautiful.
You do look beautiful. You see your eyebrows?
Yeah.
You like them?
Yeah.
Put the mirror right here. You gotta look at the video so they can see you.
Hi, Instagrammers.
Ah, say hi, YouTube.
Hi, Instagrammers.
And YouTube. It's gonna go on YouTube.
Hi, YouTubers.
Let me see.
Hi, YouTubers.
What? Tell them your name. What's your name?
I'll study bias.
How old are you?
Judy.
Wow. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move so I can finish your eyebrow.
Oh yeah, I mean, I'm just asking you for...
Don't move, okay? Wow. Don't move. Put your head up.
Oh.
Put your face up. Look at the camera.
Hi, YouTubers.
No, but don't move. Leave the mirror down. Put it right here. Close your eyes. Wow.
Ready.
Look right here. You like it?
Yeah.
All right, sit down. No more. I gotta put eyeshadow like mommy.
Eyeshadow.
Yeah.
White eyeshadow.
Like this one. Look.
This one? That one?
Yeah.
That's
Don't move.
Eyeshadow.
Yeah.
Shadow. You call it
Eyeshadow.
eyeshadow.
Okay, close your eyes.
That's all.
Close your eyes.
Booby bop. You cannot. You
Close your
can
eyes.
booby bobby bop.
Close your eyes.
Booby bop. Booby bop. You can do a booby bop. A booby bop. I call you a booby bop.
Sit down.
You're so ticklish. Your brush is so ticklish.
My brush is ticklish.
Yeah. Tickle, 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 tickle,
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
okay.
Alright, let's do the foundation of it for the camera, guys. Hurry, hurry, hurry. You ready?
Ready.
Babe, look. Yeah. Look at the camera. Wow.
Prank Master!
Prank Master.
Read the Prank Masters.
Go like this. Look.
Prank.
No.
Prank.
Float it. No, go.
Float it.
Put your head up.
Prank Masters.
Wow, baby.
Stay. Eat Prank Masters.
Wow, baby. Don't let mommy know.
Yeah,
You look like mommy. Look at the camera. You like your makeup? How you like it? Hey, why are you taking a booger on the camera? You're nasty. They seen you.
Sorry.
They seen you taking your boogers. Turn your face. Put your face straight.
I just want them to see my booger.
Ew, I'm nasty. Don't move, don't move.
You're nasty.
Oh, mommy not nasty. You nasty. You the one that digging your boogies. Look at mommy.
You're amazing.
Hold on, don't move.
Don't do that, too. It's not true.
Hold on, don't move.
Bubbly! I like a bubble monster. Like a bubble monster. I look like a bubble monster.
Yeah. You ready for mascara?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mascara.
Wow, your eyelash is gonna be so long like mommy's. That's how long they're gonna be. Come on.
So scary.
It's scary? So scary.
Oh my gosh. I'm so excited.
You excited?
Poppy, look.
Oh wow, you look beautiful.
You like it?
Yeah!
Look at the camera. Tell them you like it.
Do you like it, camera videos?
Do you like your eyelashes?
Yeah. Do you like your eyelashes?
Do they like their eyelashes? We gotta put highlight on now though. Hold on.
You can get the eyelashes wherever you want. Make a
Watch. Put your
video.
head up. This way. Hold on. You know we gotta get her nose highlight popping and everything. Okay. Get up. Put your head up. Ooh. Say okay. Ooh. Okay. Hold on. Wow, baby, you glowing.
Yes, I do.
Yes, you are. You glowing, Boogie.
Yes, I am.
Listen, this is the first and last time you're getting your makeup done. Put your head up.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Now she's every time I get my makeup now done, she's gonna be begging me for me to do her makeup.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't do what? You know too much. Let's get your eye.
My drink.
No, we gotta get your inner corner highlight. You popping, Boogie. Turn around, turn around.
Highlight.
Inner corner highlight right here. Look at the camera so I can do it.
Pointy.
Wow. Wow, you like your makeup?
Oh. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you like my makeup tutorial, subscribe to my mom, Daddy, Lady Salad, to my mom, to makeup, and she did my makeup, to everything she did to my makeup.
And say, and give it a thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up and subscribe also to my channel to a great dancer. I told you.
You're a pro. I'm gonna make you a channel.
Okay.
You like doing videos?
Yeah!
Well, where are you going? You gotta sit right here so they can see you.
You can never ever dance that.